Here are a few simple steps to help you succeed in welding. Metal prep and cleaning the finished weld. First, start with cleaning the metal. You will need to remove contaminants from the surface of the area to be welded. This includes mill scale, rust, dirt, paint, and other debris. If left on the metal, these contaminants will be mixed in the weld pool and will lower the strength of the weld itself. While some welding processes, such as stick and flux cord, are more forgiving when these elements are present, it's always best to start with a clean surface before you weld. To clean the metal, start with a wire brush. Lincoln Electric offers a variety of handheld and rotating wire brushes. And remember to always wear eye protection. Angle grinders with flap discs or grinding wheels are also useful, especially on larger pieces. Once all the larger contaminants are removed, use sandpaper to remove the remaining imperfections on the metal. The final step is to clean with a cloth and solvent. There are many solvents on the market, but acetone works great in removing grease and dust. The goal is to have clean metal so you can get the strongest weld joint. Once the welding is finished, it's time to clean up that weld. With proper eye and face protection on, a few simple tools needed to clean the weld are a chipping hammer. Use it to remove the slag left from the welding process. Next, use a wire brush to clean the weld. And finally, if you want a smooth surface, use a flap disc or grinding wheel to smooth down the weld. Of course, all of these should be used with the proper eye and face protection. Following these simple steps will help you succeed in welding. And make sure to check out the complete line of Lincoln Electric welders, consumables, and accessories.